Hi, my name is Jerome Joseph. Over the past 22 years, I've worked with over 1,000 brands in 33 countries. My work has taken me to consult with global MNCs, governments, CEOs, and entrepreneurs, and many more. As a branding expert, I'm often asked by people what it takes to build an effective and personal brand. There are many ways to build a powerful brand, and I have 8 best-selling books that share powerful ideas and insight, but that knowledge needs guided experience. Imagine this, you could read a great book about accounting, but does that mean you do not hire an accountant to support you? So this is what I do. I work with brands. I help them to get to their vision a lot faster than them doing it themselves. Specifically, I want to work with you and help you grow your personal brand. So who needs personal brand coaching? There are 5 types of people that I typically work with. Number 1, the entrepreneur. You own a business and you want the business to grow to the next level using your personal brand as a driver. Number 2, the star. You have done well and now you want to position yourself and your achievements to your audience. Number 3, the expert. You want to become a thought leader in your space and build your credibility as a speaker or as a consultant. Number 4, the leader. You're an employee trying to stand out in your organization. You could be a manager, a CEO, but trying to climb the corporate ladder and make yourself more attractive for the next big opportunity in your organization. Number 5, the seeker. You are trying to find that perfect job and you need a strong personal brand that will help you stand out in this cluttered marketplace. If you are any of these 5 types, I can help you. I have a systematic approach when I coach using our proprietary framework of the 5 Ds. Number 1, to help you discover your brand. Number 2, to help you define your audience. Number 3, to help you develop your brand value proposition. Number 4, to deliver your brand through your touch points. And number 5, to drive your brand on a long-term brand plan. This 5D framework will help you, and through my coaching, you have a systematic framework that will help you reach your vision for your brand. My personal brand coaching can show you how to grow and monetize your personal brand while establishing yourself as a thought leader in your industry or in your organization. Every coaching session is tailored to your needs, and I want nothing more than for your brand success. My name is Jerome Joseph. I am the brand guy, and I want to work with you and I want to coach you to your brand success.